Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we consider the best Moen garbage disposal on the market. The Moen Chef Series 1 HP Continuous Feed Garbage Disposal with Sound Insulation. Model EXL100C. If you're looking for performance, innovation, and quiet operation in one unit, this might be your next kitchen upgrade. Let's jump right in. First up, power and performance. The Moen Chef Series EXL100C is equipped with a mighty 1 horsepower Vortex motor. Spinning at 2,800 RPM, this high-speed permanent magnet motor is designed to grind even the toughest food scraps with ease. From fibrous vegetables to small bones, this disposal powers through it all, reducing the chance of jams significantly. It's a continuous feed unit, meaning you can keep feeding waste into it as it runs, super convenient for large cleanup jobs. There's an integrated LED light that turns on automatically when you're working under the sink. Whether you're installing it, checking for leaks, or just cleaning, this feature adds an unexpected layer of convenience. It's thoughtful, it's practical, and it's something you didn't know you needed until you use it. And speaking of cleanups, Moen introduces something they call 360 degrees clean rinse technology. This system helps rinse away food particles more thoroughly, which means fewer odors and a cleaner disposal overall. Combine that with the continuous feed mechanism, and you have a system that's as efficient as it is effective. Now, let's talk about installation. The EXL100C features Moen's Universal Express mount, which fits most existing assemblies, even those from other popular brands like InSinkErator. It also comes with a pre-installed power cord, which eliminates an entire step during installation. Moen even includes their fast-track installation system, making the setup quick, secure, and straightforward, perfect for both DIYers and pros. So whether you're living in a small apartment or just trying not to wake the baby, this makes a difference. When it comes to durability, the EXL100C doesn't cut corners. The materials are corrosion-resistant, built for longevity, and it's backed by a 10-year limited warranty, and that includes in-home service. So if something goes wrong, Moen will send help directly to your door. That's a rare level of support in this product category. And finally, let's not forget the small but important touches: LED lighting, easy cleaning, powerful motor, and a sleek, professional-grade design. It's powerful, quiet, easy to install, and loaded with features that make it stand out in a crowded market. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or replacing an old unit, this model offers a premium experience from top to bottom. If you're ready to get yours, check out the link in the description. This has been Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more deep dive product breakdowns, and comment below. If you've had experience with this or other Moen disposals, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.